Hey besties, how are you doing? Hope you're good, hope you're fine, hope life is treating you well. How far? It's been a minute, like I always say. Anyways, today's video, I'm showing you a vlog. I will show you the vlog. I just wanted to give you a proper breakdown intro kind of thing because I forgot to make an intro on that day. So I'm doing it today. So basically, some of you are curious to know what did you graduate from? What graduation is she, where is she graduating from? What is YouTube made for you all about? So YouTube have a program or a workshop where they just go around African countries, even other countries, and they train people on YouTube Shorts, and it's called YouTube Made for You Shorts Workshop, something like that. I'll insert it once I get to remember what it was called. So basically, they just go to countries, right, and gather some YouTubers. It's not just anybody, right? You get selected. So a lot of people actually applied for it and they didn't make it. I made it. So as I said, we are selected, and then at the end of the day, they combined everybody on a group chat whereby we had, it's not just Nigeria actually, it's like the whole Africa. So we had people from South Africa, people from Kenya, people from so many parts of the world, part of Africa, on a group chat, on a WhatsApp group chat. So interesting that if there's anything I took out from this whole experience is networking, bro. Like till date, we still have ourselves on the group chat, and it's just a lovely, space to be in, and that's one thing I really love about the program. So the program was held for 8 weeks, and we had a call. We got on a call every Thursday for I think four times. We did it 4 times. 4 times we had a call where Kendra was and then some other panelists and some other YouTubers came as guests, and we had constant people or constant lecturers who were lecturing us on how to understand the YouTube space, how to understand the algorithm, how to understand how to be consistent, just lots of tips, lot of advice, lot of they literally educated us on YouTube in general. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I think you should, because I'll definitely drop separate videos on what I learned from the program, because I really had notes. So at the end of the program, they made sure people who are really serious were the only ones who got invited for the graduation. So the graduation was also selected, or were not just for everybody that was even chosen. So the fact that you're chosen did not mean that you'll be part of those who graduated, because some people could not just meet up with the meeting. Some people could not just, I don't know, they were not serious, or they didn't care, or they were just busy. I knew some people were very busy, they didn't have time to join at all, so they didn't graduate. They were part of the program, but they didn't graduate. And there are some people who, for every week that we had the training, they'll always give us like assignment to do, and then they'll pick like maybe 8 or 10 persons as the best. We're actually a lot. We're up to 300, to be honest. I mean, selected, we're up to 300. But at the end of the day, for the graduation, I don't think we're up to 100 or 150 that got selected. They hosted an event for us. I'll show you guys all those things. They hosted an event in a nice space, in a nice terrain, and there was also full of drinks. There was if you know Tomike, she's a YouTuber, a popular YouTuber that has been in the YouTube space for a long time. We also had Ify Kitchen lecturers at some point. It was just a lovely, mind-blowing session, workshop. That thank you to YouTube for hosting creators, because it's just a good way to feel appreciated as a small YouTuber. Like for those of us who are not monetized, even the actually people on the group chat that are monetized are making money, but they joined. So it wasn't just for small creators, so for every creator, and YouTube selected the ones they wanted to select and just added. It's just a lovely platform to have the people who have made it and people who are still trying to make it be in the same space. So at every point, most of these people drop advices, answer questions when we have small creators ask, okay, how can I do this, how can I do that? You see experienced YouTubers give replies on the group chat. It's just the fact that we still have the group chat, and it's just, see, if there's anything I took out from the program, is the networking. So long story short, let me just show you guys highlights of what that day was about, the graduation ceremony, how much fun we had, and everything.
people that don't say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want your life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Where's it go? All the men, they get it. I know feel, die for nothing. Where's it go? All the men, they get it. I know.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때